Living in present moment means being fully aware and engaged in what is happening right now. Let's go back to when you were born and in your childhood. During those days, early stages of life, you were naturally immersed in the present moment. Every experience, every sound, every sight was fresh and new. Your mind wasn't cluttered with worries about the future or regrets from the past. You simply lived in the now with an innocent curiosity and wonder for the world around you. As time passed, your mind started to develop and mature. While this growth is essential for learning and understanding, it also introduced a new element, the tendency to wander. The mind began to dwell on past memories, cherishing the happy moments or ruminating over the not so happy ones. At the same time, it started projecting into the future, daydreaming about what might come to pass. This wandering mind can be compared to a monkey constantly jumping from one thought to another, making it challenging to focus on the present moment. The consequences of this wandering mind is that you might find yourself losing touch with the beauty and significance of the present moment. Instead of fully expressing what's happening right now, you might be preoccupied with what has happened or what might happen. This disconnection from the present can lead to unnecessary pain and suffering. But there's good news. It's entirely natural for the mind to wander. The human mind is incredibly complex, and thoughts will naturally come and go. What's essential is to cultivate awareness and not let the wandering mind control you entirely. By being conscious of your thoughts and gently bringing your attention back to the present where it drifts away, you can begin to re-establish a deeper connection with the here and now. This doesn't mean you should completely forget the past or neglect planning for the future. Learning from past experiences and having a vision for the future are crucial aspects of personal growth and development. What's important is to approach these activities with mindfulness, being fully present in the process. When you stay focused on the present moment, you can fully appreciate the little joys and wonders that life offers. Whether it's savoring the taste of your favorite meal, enjoying the beautiful sunset, or spending quality time with loved ones, being present allows you to experience life more deeply and authentically. The present moment has an extraordinary quality that is unmatched. When you fully embrace it, you will find that you don't need to seek happiness elsewhere or worry excessively about the future. People who have learned to live with the present find a sense of contentment and peace within themselves, free from the burdens of regret and anxiety. To practice living in the present moment, you can engage in mindfulness and meditation exercises, taking a few moments each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath can help bring you back to the now. When you are engaged in various activities, try to be fully present in what you are doing. Whether it's cooking, walking, or even just having a conversation, give it your undivided attention. Additionally, observe how you eat or drink. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and sensations. By doing so, you bring mindfulness into your daily life and begin to appreciate the simple joys that surrounds you.